Didn't flutter. Go. What's that, Greg? A bit of dose, eh?
Docile action.
Docile actions. Yeah, that was fucking sick, man.